Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 17 May 2024, and we have a lot to cover. From Tesla's self-driving technology adoption rates to labor disputes and hardware advancements, we've got it all. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. A recent data analysis has revealed that a staggering 98% of Tesla owners choose not to continue using the self-driving technology after the trial period. Only a mere 2% decide to keep it. This technology, priced at $8,000, has received mixed reviews since its introduction. The data, based on a sample size of nearly 3,500 Tesla owners, is a small fraction compared to the 1.8 million Tesla drivers in North America. Despite this, CEO Elon Musk has emphasized that self-driving technology is a key feature distinguishing Tesla from its competitors globally. Tesla has faced significant challenges from Chinese competitors, with BYD surpassing Tesla as the world's largest electric vehicle producer in late 2023. Musk has expressed concerns about being outperformed by Chinese rivals if US trade restrictions are not implemented. During a recent visit to China, Musk secured a deal that could enable Tesla to deploy its self-driving technology. However, Tesla faces stiff competition from NIO's new affordable model, Onvo, which is priced $4,000 lower than Tesla's Model Y. NIO aims to redefine family cars with Onvo, as stated by NIO's president, Alan Ai. In labor news, the National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, has filed a complaint against Tesla, alleging that the company interfered with the organizing rights of employees at its Buffalo, New York factory. The complaint focuses on Tesla's acceptable use policy for workplace technology, which the NLRB claims is unlawful and discourages employees from forming or joining a union. The employees who were allegedly fired were part of a group working on data labeling for Tesla Autopilot and had launched a union membership campaign. Just 2 days after the campaign started, Tesla reportedly fired at least 18 members of the team. This is not the first time Tesla has faced accusations of suppressing labor organizing, as the company has been involved in multiple labor lawsuits and NLRB complaints in recent years. If the parties don't settle, the matter will go before an NLRB administrative law judge later this summer. On the technology front, Tesla's new self-driving computer, Hardware 4, HW4, has been spotted with additional cameras, a potential reintroduction of radar systems, and more features. The details were revealed by Tesla hacker Green Theonly, who shared new images and specifications. Tesla had initially provided some information about HW4 during last year's AI Day event. The new hardware is expected to enhance Tesla's self-driving capabilities and improve overall performance. The addition of more cameras and radar systems suggests a significant advancement in Tesla's autonomous driving technology. The HW4 computer is likely to play a crucial role in Tesla's future vehicles, including the Model Y, built in Germany. Hertz made a significant investment in Tesla by purchasing over 30,000 Teslas to make 20% of its rental fleet electric vehicles. However, the company faced unexpected high maintenance costs and depreciation, leading them to sell off the fleet. This resulted in great deals for buyers, with some purchasing Teslas for as low as $25,000. But many buyers soon discovered issues with the used Teslas, such as battery damage and high repair costs not covered by warranty. Hertz has been trying to offload these EVs, with buyers realizing the potential risks and problems associated with purchasing used rental vehicles. Reddit and Tesla forums are filled with warnings about buying used Teslas from Hertz due to the battery abuse and potential issues. Hertz aims to sell the remaining 20,000 Teslas by the end of the year. Hertz announced it was selling off its fleet of 30,000 Teslas after initially planning to buy 100,000 of the electric vehicles. Customers like Bajaj Pandey purchased used Teslas at discounted prices, but many faced issues with the vehicles, including costly repairs not covered by warranty. Hertz's financial troubles began when it went bankrupt during the pandemic, leading to the decision to sell off its vehicles to pay debts. The company's attempt to rebuild its fleet with electric vehicles, mainly Teslas, has not been successful, resulting in a loss of over $12 billion in value since returning to the public market in 2021. Hertz is struggling to sell its remaining EVs due to oversupply, lower demand, and competition from other used car options. The company aims to complete the sale of the remaining 20,000 EVs by the end of the year. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Tesla. Stay charged and drive safe.